Hi everyone and welcome to English with Learners. Today we are at the train station and I'll show you how to buy a train ticket using a ticket machine. Let's learn some easy English words and steps to buy tickets. First, let's learn some important words with examples. Ticket machine. It's the machine where you buy tickets. It's the big screen at the station where you press buttons to get your tickets. Destination. It's the place you want to go. If you are traveling to Paris, Paris is your destination. One way. A ticket to go only to your destination. A one-way ticket to London means you are not coming back. Return. A ticket to go and come back. A return ticket to London lets you travel there and back to your starting city. Pay. To give money for ticket, you might use cash or card at the machine. Repeat after me. Ticket, machine, destination, and pay. Now let's go and buy a ticket. So now we have our ticket machine here with different type of payment. You can see different type of payment just here, and let's buy the ticket together. Touch the screen and here select the language. You have different language here on the screen. Me, I want English. Okay, here you have different type of ticket with different price up to 30 euro, from 1 to 30 euro. And here I choose the type of ticket I want. So you have different ticket option. You have ticket to visit Paris, you have forfait Navigo jour, you have bus tram ticket, you have one way from or to airport. Let's choose this one. And here you have different fare. You can pick full fare or reduced fare. Me, I choose reduced fare, and on the screen you can see different price from 1 to 20 with different price. Let's choose 20, and here you have to pay 132 euro for this ticket. Let's choose this one. And here on the screen you have different type of payment. You can use card payment, but here machine do not accept cash. Let's put our card in machine. You can put it here. Text. Choose it again, put a card, okay, and I think payment is okay. I remove my card, and when it's okay, you can pick your ticket here, and that's it. And now you can buy a train ticket using machine in English. Practice these steps and you will be ready to travel. Like this video, subscribe to Learn English with Learners, and comment below what travel topic do you want to learn next? See you next time.